Hey, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, today I'm having this little issue with this little sunshade part of the sun visor. I have the panoramic roof, so my shade slides back. Okay, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, since we're sitting in here now, this right here. See, the sunshade part is right here, and I can bring it over. I mean, it doesn't really hurt the functionality of it, but if I bring it over, you see it comes out like that. But when it comes over, what it does, it leaves a gap. See this gap right here? That's what's coming apart. See, it's coming all up in there. It's supposed to go, there's grooves like right here that it goes in. It goes in from here, it goes all the way back, to the back. And which, when I'm messing with it, I mean, not messing with it, when I'm, retracting it or whatever, it doesn't really mess with the functionality of it. I just want that fixed. I want it to look like that. You see what I'm saying? That's the way it should look, and that's the way it is looking. So that's what I'm gonna fix today. All right, guys. Well, let me see. Look, once I even take it back, see, it all slides back pretty good. Oh, and you can actually go all the way back. It doesn't really mess with the functionality of it. It's just, it don't look good. It's bothersome. So that's what I'm fixing today. And I'm going to show you, let me get out of here, show you actually what I'm going to do. Let me get more into the sun. So this tool right here, it's just a little flat tool. I don't really know. Well, I mean, I've got it when I think I was tinting. I put the tint on my front door at my house, and this right here is like a scraper to kind of like finally get in the edges and stuff like that. But if you see that sharp edge right there, that's what I'm going to use to try to stuff that back in. Now let's get in here, or at least see if we can get in here. Oh yeah, okay. Well, I guess I need to close it before I can do anything. Okay, now that I've closed that again, that right there is what I'm working on. So let's see how I do. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so see how it went in there? I mean, it's not a permanent fix. It can still come out, but with me stuffing that back in there, I think it looks at least 100% better than it did. But yeah, I'm going to do more research on how to. I'm sure this would probably be an intensive job. You'd probably have to take out this whole thing right here, which it, right there by the columns, and then it probably goes all the way back there, to the back or whatever. But so I don't know really what that would be, what I would have to do, but I'm definitely going to look into getting that replaced. But for right now, and like I said, it does not mess with the functionality of it or anything like that. But during the summer months, I kind of like to have mine closed anyway, just because of the heat aspect of it. So that's where we're at. All right, let's get back out here. And I guess that's gonna, complete this video for the day. Just having fun in the sun, guys. Really appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm of the channel. And, I thank you a lot. Be good to yourself, and please be good to others. All right, appreciate it, guys.